Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. If you have a deck building business, then stay tuned because in this video today I'm going to be walking you through the steps on how to build a website on the Marty Sats platform for your deck building business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sats service, Marty Sats is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your deck building business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, deck builder. There it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Let's tell Marty Sats a few basic details about our deck building business so it can generate a website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the Marty Sats service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue and let Marty Sats work its magic and create a website for us. And look at that, it's already done it in literally less than 10 minutes. It was absolutely amazing. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sats is we've pre-written all the content for you, as you can see, just as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality. However, if you've got your own images, assuming you do, of all your awesome decks you've built, and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to start my way from the top, work my way through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works. Let's click on update section at the top and let's get working. I'm now going to put in my email address over here. And the first thing I want to do is click on show email and site. So my email address is displayed in my Marty Sats website on the top right hand corner. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number, and it is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location if I have one, that is. And the great thing about that address is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. I'm now going to head over to update social links, and over here you can put in your various social media platforms that your deck building business is active on, displaying all your awesome decks you've built. There is an option for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, and the icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to your email address, as well as at the bottom over there. Awesome. Let's scroll back to the top very quickly, make sure everything's saved, and let's move along. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Maybe you're still in the startup process of your deck building business. Marty Sats will literally just display your name in the top left-hand corner and it still looks really great. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo, but you really want one, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are a few great options on there that are completely free to use. You can make it bigger and smaller, customize it, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm leaving it as is. Now, with Marty Sats, we've also pre-selected the colors used throughout the website for you as well. We wanted to make it as simple as possible when it comes to launching a website for your deck building business. However, perhaps the colors used you would like to change to suit your business cards, your logos, etc. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the handy paint buckets and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. Let's scroll right to the bottom and let's see. I really like this one as well as that one. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one and save it and move on. Now, if you have your own images, browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and Marty Sats will automatically search for deck builder. Now, you do need to play around with the terms a little bit and just see what pops up and what images are suitable. So I'm going to go ahead and say outdoor deck. Let's see what pops up for that. Awesome. So here's a few suitable images. Let's have a look at one more page. Otherwise, we can change the terms. Let's say outdoor patio and see what pops up. Great. So these are absolutely perfect. Let me look at the first page and just see if there's any suitable ones. Yep, there's some really great ones here if I search for outdoor patio. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this one over here, as that is a wooden deck, somewhat like I would build for my business. So let's see. Yep, that looks stunning. So I'm going to leave that as is. Over here, you can hit update content, change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button doesn't have to say get free estimate, but I really like that idea of them clicking on that button that says get free estimate. So I'm going to choose the link. And over here, I can link to another website if need be. Maybe you take calendar bookings or something along those lines. Otherwise, you can link to the lead form at the bottom of your Mighty Sites page, which I'll get to in just a second. Otherwise, you can link to a click to call, directions, click to email, or upload a PDF file if you have a catalog or your rates in PDF format, you can upload it there. So for this, I'm going to put it as click to call because I want them to call me to arrange a free estimate. Let's click confirm, save our content, and move along. Now over here, again, pre-written content just as a guideline. Button can link to various places. All you need to do is click on update section and make those changes. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the industry, how long you've been building amazing decks for, maybe your process. Do you offer a free consultation? And with an estimate, and then your customers can explore your different options and pricing. Go ahead and put all the details. Do you only follow strict safety standards and codes? Go ahead and pop all those details over here, maybe some more details about yourself so your customers can get to know you. Over here, we have another great spot for a high quality image. So I'm going to go ahead and search through the photo library and search for patio and see what pops up. As I said, play around with the terms a little bit and just see what pops up. Let's try outdoor patio. Although I'm sure you have some really great images of the amazing decks you have previously built. So go ahead and display them proudly on your Mighty Sites website. This one looks really great over here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Save my image selection. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Let's close and move along. Over here, we made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer, the different decks you can help customers with. Do you offer ground level decks, rooftop decks, flush decks, elevator decks, multi-level decks? Go ahead and put all the details over here. We've now made our way into that lead form that I've just mentioned to you previously. Over here, your customers can pop in their details, their queries and concerns, push send. You will get notified via email when you have a lead via this form. And you can also find all your leads in the site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a sec. Let's just take one last look at our Mighty Sites website we've just built for our deck building business. Absolutely stunning. I didn't need to know any coding, didn't need to hire anyone to help me with this. It was such a breeze, and I'm not even super tech savvy. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So make sure you click on the link below this video and sign up for the free trial and give it a go. See how it works for you and your business. I'm now going to head to stop editing and head over to the site dashboard. Now over here is where you can find the leads from that form I've just shown you at the bottom. And if you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect a domain. I already have a domain and set it up. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.mightysites.com, with a step-by-step guide as well as some tips and advice for marketing your small business online. If you don't have a custom domain yet, all you need to do is click on I want a new domain, and you can now purchase your custom domain through the Mighty Sites platform. Really exciting. We've recently introduced the feature. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your deck building business. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.